All right, so we have Mr. Arjun Kapoor, Ms. Sonakshi Sinha, Mr. Sanjay Kapoor, and the director, Mr. Amit Sharma among us over here for the press conference of Tevar, which is releasing on 9th of Jan. So I would now request Mr. Arjun to talk a few words about.
Hi, good evening, ladies. Gadodi kar rahe subah se. But thank you for coming out here. I'm sure all of you are well aware this is an adaptation or rather remake of Okru that we've done. It's been a pleasure working on this film, primarily because of the team that we've had, and that includes Sonakshi, Amit, and all the producers who are part of my family. It's my first home production, and the whole crew. It's been a wonderful experience for me, and I'm very happy that we can come here and spend this kind of time in Hyderabad, because this is where our journey for Tevar started, honestly. अगर ओकड़ू नहीं बनती तो शायद हम आज यहाँ नहीं होते. So it's a very important city. It's a very important time that we've come here today, and I'm very excited to be able to showcase Tevar. We all are very excited to showcase Tevar to each and every audience member of AP, because they have a close bond with where we started out from, and I hope they like our interpretation of this film also.
All right, so we are now.
Family. Our family has become synonymous with being the premier family who do remakes all the time, whether it's Judai or Hamara Dil Aapke Paas Hai, Koi Mere Dil Se Pooche, Shakti. I mean, we've made a lot of remakes within the home production. I saw Okru even before I became an actor, because it was made in 2003 or मैंने देखी around 2010, and I really liked this idea of it being a very unconventional love story. Normally there's always an agenda for a boy when he's trying to save a girl, or they're in love. So, अरे प्यार करता हूँ तुझसे, तू प्यार करती, चलो भागते हैं. It's a very Hindi film format. Here, what I really liked is the boy does the right thing. He's trying to save a girl from a situation that they've got themselves into, and he doesn't have an agenda, and that's why she falls for him, because he's genuinely a nice guy. So it's not a boy with an agenda. Also, I liked. Yes, you fall for me. सोनाक्षी सिन्हा के कैरेक्टर को मुझसे प्यार हो जाता है, यानी कि मेरे कैरेक्टर से प्यार हो जाता है. And also the fact that it's ordinary people in this extraordinary situation, this sort of love triangle that develops, and I like the germ of it, and I hope we've been able to do justice to the original as well.
What about you, Sonakshi?
I have actually been a part of a few Telugu remakes. Vikramakudu was made into Rowdy Rathod, and Maryada Ramana was made into Son of Sardar. They actually showed me the DVD of Okuru when they wanted me to sign the film, and I watched it and I immediately connected with it, because it's such a nice story. It's got soul in the film, and the characters are so realistic and relatable. So I really didn't even have to think that much. I immediately said yes, that I want to be a part of this film.
This question is for all of you. What were some of the fun moments on the sets? Who pranked who? किसने कितने तेवर दिखाए? And Sonakshi, did you get a chance to say खामोश to anyone on the set?
I think you should answer.
That's an interview. That's not a question. No, I guess we've spoken enough. I think let Sanjay Chachu and Amit tell you about the moments that they've shared. And she did say Khamosh a lot.
Yeah, she just said Khamosh upstairs in the room also. No, good evening, everybody. First of all, like to thank everybody for being here. And it's always a pleasure to be in Hyderabad. We've been longly associated with shooting movies in Hyderabad. This time we didn't shoot Tevar in Hyderabad, but we took a subject of Andhra and made it into Hindi. So we are really proud of that. It was a young team, but our pranks was, the fun moment was enjoying every moment of making the film, not of making fun of each other. We were enjoying ourselves every day when we used to finish shooting. What we had achieved, that used to be our high. That used to be a fun part in the evening कि हमने जो सुबह जो प्लान किया था, जब हम बॉम्बे में बैठे हुए थे, मुंबई में बैठे हुए थे और ये सीन का, और जब वो काम खत्म होता था, तो that was the high for all of us. So that's what I think, for me, that was the biggest high moment and fun moment. And rest Amit will tell you what the fun moments were.
Hi everyone. I've been to Hyderabad many times. I've shot. I'm actually an ad filmmaker. I've shot a lot of ad films in Hyderabad, and it's always been pleasure. Crew over here is outstanding. So, for a first-time director, it's always taken like that पहली film बनाऊंगा तो original film बनाऊंगा. But when I saw Okuru and Boniji offered me, I loved the story so much that I said, done, I'm going to make this film, but yes, it'll be, we'll adapt the story. And loved the germ so well that I said, it can be a fantastic film. So, the industry over here is coming out with so many amazing stories, it's unbelievable. And because it was my first film, so every day was fun moment for me. I'm actually a prankster on sets. So with Arjun, Sonakshi, and with Manoj Bajpayee, I had a lot of fun because we were shooting in locations like Agra, Mathura, and we shot the whole film on locations. So in totality, we shot in nine cities. So every city actually gave us some flavor, and pranks actually came from there, and happiness actually came from there. So we are all happy being over here right in front of you guys, and thanks for bearing us.
अर्जुन जी, कबड्डी कबड्डी स्ट्रेंथ स्टैमिना
पहले उनका ले लेते फिर आपको ले लेते.
कबड्डी स्ट्रेंथ स्टैमिना और एनर्जी का गेम है.
Correct.
इसके लिए आपने क्या प्रैक्टिस की और बचपन में कभी खेला आपने?
सर बचपन में मैं एक्चुअली फुटबॉल की तरह गोल था तो मैं कोई स्पोर्ट नहीं खेल सकता था. बट I didn't know the intricacies of kabaddi till we actually decided to make sure we retain it. हमको बहुत लोगों ने कहा था जब ओरिजिनल देखी कि कबड्डी चेंज कर देना. But that's the one thing I appreciate about Amit and me. We were fundamentally clear कि नहीं कबड्डी रखनी ही चाहिए because वो मिट्टी का स्पोर्ट है और ये फिल्म मिट्टी से जुड़ी हुई है. Even the original. I didn't know it would be so difficult. मुझे लग रहा था काफी आसान स्पोर्ट होगा. I practiced for about 15 days. 15 to 20 days. हमारे ऑफिस के पीछे एक मैदान है, हमने वहाँ पे कबड्डी का मैदान बनवाया. We had three players from Mumbai who used to come every day diligently, spend 2-3 hours in the morning with me, and not only teach me how to play, but the body language, their personalities. Yes, it's nice that they would play music while I talk. Background music is zarurat. Yeah, so I really learned a lot about being a sportsman. This is the first time in a film I played a sport also. इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट स्पोर्ट. मैंने आज तक नंगे पैर कुछ भी नहीं खेला, इन द सेंस नंगे पैर कोई स्पोर्ट खेला ही नहीं है. ये पहला स्पोर्ट है जो मैं हक्का बक्का रह गया था. नहीं सर नहीं यार इसमें तो जूते नहीं पहन सकता है सर, वो तेरी तो मैं घर पे चप्पल में घूमता हूँ, नंगे पैर घूमता ही नहीं हूँ. तो फॉर मी दैट वाज समथिंग न्यू.
ऑडियंस के हाथ में होता है एट द एंड ऑफ द डे की कौन सी फिल्म चले कौन सी फिल्म ना चले. और एक फिल्म एवरेज गई थी, लिंगा हिट हो गई है, तो लेट मी करेक्ट यू देयर. बट या लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द रिएक्शंस. अभी फ़िलहाल हमें बहुत अच्छे मिल रहे हैं तेवर के लिए, और जहाँ भी हम जा रहे हैं लोगों का रिस्पांस काफ़ी पॉजिटिव है, तो डेफिनेटली पॉजिटिव एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी है.
Yeah, we have made few changes because see, Okuru came in 2004 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so 2003. So when it came in 2003 and now we are sitting in 2014. So एक साल 10 साल का पूरा एक span है. So audience wants to see few new things coming up, and and also I found that अगर हम ये changes करेंगे, it will add value to the film. It will add character to the film. So yes, we have made a few changes in the script, which is just to create the more entertainment value, more reality, more like which I feel that should be there in today's time of cinema. I have done few changes.
अमित जी, आपकी फिल्म में आगरा के पिंटू और मथुरा की राधिका की केमिस्ट्री कैसी रही?
आगरा के पिंटू और मथुरा की राधिका केमिस्ट्री मतलब माइंड ब्लोइंग थी. वो आपको ट्रेलर में भी दिख रही होगी और पिक्चर में और भी ज़्यादा दिख जाएगी. आगरा के पिंटू और राधिका बॉम्बे में एक दूसरे को बचपन से जानते, तो इनका वो केमिस्ट्री बिठाने का मेरे को बस वो वो जो एक डायरेक्टर का होता ना कि पहले इन दोनों की केमिस्ट्री बिठा दो, वो नहीं करना पड़ा मुझे थैंकफुली. तो वो साथ में स्कूल जाते थे और आसपास में रहते हैं, पड़ोसी हैं. तो केमिस्ट्री इज़ आउटस्टैंडिंग, एंड I'm grateful that I have these two actors in my film.
नाचेगी, म्यूजिक बजेगा लाउड तो राधा नाचेगी. I think like you said, because the film was released in 2003, to make the character more adaptive to today, because today's girls are a bit more forthright and they are straightforward, they have an opinion, they have an attitude, tevar you can say. And so yeah, and of course if he was casting me in the film, he knew that I will not be a meek girl. So he's changed it around quite a bit, and I'm really glad that they've given me a very beautiful character, and one of my favorite characters of mine so far.
संजय जी, मैं तो सुपरमैन सलमान का फैन. ये गाना कौसर मुनीर से लिखवाया.
बिल्कुल लिखवाया नहीं, हमने कभी सोचा नहीं था. पार्ट ऑफ द फिल्म, इट इज नॉट जस्ट अ गिमिक टू यूज सुपरमैन्स नेम और सलमान्स नेम. जो पिंटू का कैरेक्टर है वो अपने आप को जब डिस्क्राइब करता है तो he talks about these characters. So when you see the film, you'll know that this is not a gimmick. It's part of the film. But it's a good song. It's a hit song, and I'm glad everybody's enjoying that song.
At least I always knew I wanted him to hear the song before we go ahead and shoot it, and he had heard it. Dad, Amit, and Sanjay Sachu, everybody made sure he heard it, and he was very happy about it because Sajid, Wajid are also people that are close to him. We go back a long way, so I was very happy that he approved of the song. And I had the opportunity to launch the song on Big Boss with him, and that matters a lot also for me. Those are the kind of moments that stay back with you beyond just the bigger spectrum of it's a tribute and it's this and that. I think those are the small moments you retain. So he really liked the song.
Yeah, Sanjay ji, so in observed.
पहले मैं उसको बोलता था कि मेहनत कर, फोकस कर. अब बोलता हूँ कि थोड़ा कम फोकस कर, कम मेहनत कर. You do too much of work. You need to spend some time for yourself also. That's how things have changed, and I'm really glad there is change like that.
Okay. And also Arjun, so Vakadu in Tollywood industry, it's a super hit movie.
You're going to start speaking in Telugu to me very soon.
Yeah, okay.
No, tell me.
So in the Mahesh Babu career, the Vakadu is a blockbuster movie.
Ji.
It is changed his life also.
Correct.
He got a stardom also.
Yes.
After the Tivar, so it will be changed to you also.
I've never analyzed. I don't think any actor sits and analyzes that you do a particular film to change your standing. You do the film because you see value in the director, the material, the character you're playing. Yes, it's been remade in various languages after Okru, and it's been successful all over. So beyond me, I would like to see it be successful for all of us, all the 300, 400 people that have toiled for those 90 odd days. जो मेरी किस्मत में होगा, मुझे ना उससे ज़्यादा मिलेगा ना उससे कम. You don't do films to put a value to your stardom and what you are going to achieve, because वो अपने आप होगा. The audience is very fair. At least I believe that. Mahesh Babu is a star because I think अगर Okru के बाद भी he would have done another film, there is a star inside him, it would have emerged. Okru ended up being the film, but even after that he's proved time and time again that he deserves all the adulation and love he's got. So I think एक actor के लिए बस मेहनत करना ज़रूरी होता है. You cannot think of the end result when you do a film. But I'm very, very happy to do a home production. For me, that's the exciting part about Tevar. If you really ask me, that's the one thing I'll retain for the rest of my life.
Films, I think only about 3 or 4 have been remakes, so majority of the films have not been.
अर्जुन जी, अनिल कपूर जी की कोई फिल्म अगर आपको रीमेक के लिए मिली तो कौन सी करेंगे आप?
सर, उनकी परफॉर्मेंसेस हर पिक्चर में इतनी अच्छी, आप क्यों बर्बाद कराना चाहते हैं उनकी परफॉर्मेंसेस? आई लव मिस्टर इंडिया, और उसमें शूटिंग भी कम करनी पड़ेगी तब मैं अपने फैमिली लाइफ पे ध्यान दे सकता हूँ, बिकॉज आई वुड बी इनविजिबल फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ इट. मिस्टर इंडिया, या